Hi you guys, welcome back to another video with the real Loverlee. And as you can see from the title, in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make a number 5 balloon mosaic. I will not be stuffing it with balloons, I will just be showing you guys how to make the frame. I've gotten a couple requests asking for this specific number, so I decided to go ahead and do it next. The goal is to eventually do every single number from 0 to 9, just so you guys will have the tutorials for all the numbers that you would need. As always, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about this video, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. And if there's something that you want to see a tutorial on, please DM me or reach out to me and let me know, and I will be sure to do that. Okay, so I got this 3 feet template, mosaic template off of Etsy. I'll go ahead and link it in the description box down below. So now I'm just using my Xacto knife to shape it out onto my foam board. Now that I've cut out my number 5 frame, I'm gonna go ahead and start scoring my strips. I use about 4 to 5 6-inch strips. You can look at my recent video. I'll be sure to put it in the card right here on top, so you guys can go ahead and look back on that video. But all I'm doing is scoring the foam board. I'm using my Xacto knife and my ruler, and I'm cutting the foam board, but I'm not cutting it all the way through. I'm just lightly cutting it so I will be able to bend it to make the curve on the number. So guys, I made a number 2 mosaic the other day and I thought the camera was on, but whole time the camera was off, so I didn't get any footage. But I've been thinking about this new technique and I tried it on the number 2 and it came out so perfect. So the lines that I create on the foam board, I normally have those outwards, so I'm going to switch that up and put it facing inwards so the outside would be smoother. I thought it was going to break, but it didn't break and it came out looking so good. So this is going to be my new way of doing mosaics, so everything will look, you know, perfect when it's done. I like the smooth finish that I got after I attached the foam board to it. So if you want to try, you can go ahead and let me know how that worked out for you. But if you want a smoother finish, this is the way to go, definitely. So when I'm making my mosaics, I like to do the most difficult part on the mosaic first, and for the number 5 it was the curves. So I finished the curves first and then I went on to the easier straight sections. As I said, I used about 4 to 6-inch strips to make the whole frame because it was really small. Obviously if it was a 5 feet mosaic it would have been more, but I used about 4 to 6 strips. That's about 2 foam boards. Yeah, just I didn't go over 2 foam boards. I used a little under 2 foam boards to make this one. when you're doing your number 5, you're wondering like, how am I gonna attach the stand to this, being that there's a whole space on the right side of it? Well, my little trick, I normally just make one side longer than the other. On the left side, there is more space for me to put the right angle triangle, so I make that side longer, and towards my right side I make it up until the little space right there. So it works well for me. I make sure to put a lot of glue to ensure that it stays for whenever I put a weight on the back of it, it don't rip off. That's what I do. Even when I'm doing the 5 feet mosaic, it works well for me. So yes, that is my little trick. I don't know if you would like to try it, but I feel like it will work either way. Just make one side longer than the other and put a lot of glue. Okay guys, so this brings us to the end of our video. This is how I make my number 5 mosaic. As you can see earlier, I cut the base of the number 5 so that it could sit flat on the floor, and you see that it didn't change the shape of it. So any number that has a curve at the bottom, like number 6, number 5, and the number 3, you can cut the base of it so that it can sit flat on the floor and you won't have to make your base curve. So when you do that, you don't really take away the shape from it. And that is my little trick, and I hope you guys like my new technique for when I'm doing curves on balloon mosaic. As I said earlier in the video, I want to do all the numbers from 0 to 9, so look out for the rest of the numbers that I haven't uploaded as yet. And as always, subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions about this video, comment it in the comment sections below. And as always, you can request videos that you would like to see on my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.